Hello traders, and welcome to Trading the Trend. I am Dennis, and this is my weekend look at market trends for week ending July 28th. We have one trading day left in the month, and it looks like unless we have a bad Monday, we should see all major indexes up for the month. Looking at the S&P 500 weekly chart, you can see we had doji here this past week, so we virtually finished flat on the week. It did stay above this consolidation box, so that's a positive thing. An area of the market that did extremely well was the Dow Jones 30. Nice up candle. Gave us some distance away from this consolidation box. Still, I like to see a week where it doesn't touch this consolidation box at all, but this is well on its way to another up month. The NASDAQ was more like the Dow. It actually had a big surge early in the week, sold off, and then came back late in the week. So it's been pretty much a roller coaster ride for the NASDAQ, but again, the trend is still up. Let's look at some other markets. We have the U.S. dollar index, and you can see the U.S. dollar. We started up here at the beginning of the year, and we just been nonstop to the downside. Dollar year to date is the weakest currency of all the majors. One area of the market that is doing well on the currency side is Bitcoin, and you can see it had a bit of a pin bar reversal here. We had the big up week 2 weeks ago, and then we pulled back a little bit this past week, but then finished at the high, and these highs have held through the weekend. So Bitcoin is looking pretty good going into the forking event that's, I think, is supposed to happen at the beginning of August. We'll see exactly what that does to this. I own a little bit of this, but not enough that I'm too worried about the fork. So we'll just let that play out and see what happens. Next, we'll look at crude oil. We continue this pattern of down, up, down, up, down, up, and then we had the up move this week, a nice big candle. We did hit the 40-week moving average, so we'll have to see if that poses some resistance. We're getting close to that $51 mark. That seems to be the level that we keep trading back and forth between. Gasoline prices locally have been up, so this is probably a good indication of that. And of course, the CAD currency, the Canadian dollar, has been doing really well right now with this surge in oil prices. So we'll continue to watch that. Next area of the markets, we'll go into our commodities and look at gold and silver. Gold, third up week in a row, but we still have not broken this little downtrend we're in. So we'll see if we can get above this level up here and get a new high. Then I'll feel better about gold. Silver, 3 up weeks in a row, but you can see silver really looks weak here. We keep having these lower highs, so until we can get up, I'd like to see us above this 1750 area. Then I feel a little bit better about silver. Until then, this could turn around and just be another leg to the downside. Gold miners, same situation as with silver, 3 up weeks in a row, but we're still making lower highs. So nothing real good there. Couple individual stocks I am looking at. Netflix, of course, it had the huge up move 2 weeks ago, just a little bit of a pullback this week. So that actually looks like a good buy-in opportunity after such a rise. Walmart, big move in Walmart. It's taken back this big down candle here. So good news for Walmart. Other areas, Facebook, we've had 3 good up weeks in a row, so Facebook at new all-time highs. Facebook looking really good. Amazon had a huge move higher, but then sold off. So we'll have to see where this goes from here. Could this be an exhaustion move, or we get a significant pullback? If we do, I will be a buyer on any pullback in this stock. Anyway, that's what I have for you for this week, and hopefully everyone has a great weekend. I will be posting a separate video for my currency trades, and hopefully I'll catch you all later on my thread. Have a great weekend.